Hello, Bacon. So you want to know how much tax you should be paying? Let's search for individual tax rates on your computer. Make sure you select the official SARS website. What you're looking for is something that looks like this. Next year, after the Minister of Finance's budget speech, you can go and search for these new rates and work out how your taxes will change. Now let's figure this out. Each line represents a tax bracket. There are 7 brackets on the 2024 tax table. The first column represents the income earned by the individual for the 2024 tax year. The second column represents the tax payable on the income in that bracket. Let's focus on the second bracket. 237,101 divided by 12 equals 19,758 Rand 40 per month, and 370,500 divided by 12 equals 30,875 Rand per month. If Bacon earned between 19,758 Rand 40 and 30,875 Rand per month, he would fall in the second tax bracket. This means he should pay a basic of 42,678 Rand tax plus an extra 26% on that portion of his income that exceeds the 237,100 where bracket 1 ends. So Bacon says that he earns a whopping salary of 20,000 Rand per month. So 20,000 times 12 equals 240,000 Rand per year. Now we have to determine the amount that exceeds the 237,100. So Bacon earned 2,900 Rand more than the 237,100 where the first bracket ended. So this 2,900 Rand will be taxed at 26%. Everything before that was taxed at 18%. So 42,678 that all people in bracket 2 must pay, plus the portion on the 2,900 Rand times 26%, added together, Bacon's tax liability for the year will be 43,432 before rebates. Before rebates? Rebates like in discount on tax? Yep, that's correct. But before we discuss the rebates, let's investigate that 42,678 that all people in bracket 2 must pay, because that figure jumps to 77,362 in the next bracket. So where does bracket 1 start? It starts at 1 Rand and it goes up to 237,100. 237,100 divided by 12 equals 19,758 Rand and 33 cents. No, wait, this is confusing. So what you say is that people earning between 1 Rand and 19,758 Rand 33 per month pays 18% tax? Yes, that's 100% correct. So what about the story that people earning below a certain amount doesn't pay tax? Well, remember what we said about rebates? When we understand rebates, we will understand that. So if we scroll down on the SARS tax rates page until you find rebates, the primary rebate is available to everyone. But people over 65 get an extra 9,444 Rand rebate, and people above 75 get yet another 3,145 Rand rebate. Let me explain. So we know that Bacon earns 20,000 Rand per month. We calculated that to be 240,000 Rand per year, and we calculated the tax on that according to the second bracket to be 43,432. Okay, so then 43,432 less a primary rebate of 17,235, because Bacon is not 65 years old yet, leaves us with a tax payable of 26,197 Rand. And divided by 12 months equals 2,183 Rand and 8 cents per month. So Bacon, you earn 20,000 Rand per month, but your employer deducts 1% UIF or unemployment insurance and 2,183 Rand and 8 cents PAYE or pay as you earn per month. In your bank account, you should expect 17,616 Rand 92. And your employer must pay the UIF and PAYE to SARS by the 7th or the last working day before the 7th of the next month. Now for something that's very interesting. If Bacon earned 7,979 Rand and 16 cents per month, he would earn 95,750 per year. According to the first bracket, he should pay 18% tax, and that equals 17,235 Rand less the primary rebate of 17,235, means that at a salary of 7,979 Rand and 16 cents a person under the age of 65 will not be paying tax. This sweet spot, where the tax liability equals the rebate, is called the tax threshold. And that, dear Bacon, is why they say that you don't pay tax if you earn less than the tax threshold. And if we scroll down a little further on the tax rates page, we will find the different thresholds for the different age groups. We only need to take note of one more thing, and then it's time to exercise what we have learned. What is a tax year? It starts in March of the current year and ends in February of the following year. Now, let's assume that Bacon earns 15,000 Rand per month and he is younger than 65. What would his monthly PAYE deduction be? You think you can calculate that?